All right, so thank you so much for joining me in this lesson. And what I'll basically be covering today is going to be on payment gateways. Now, first and foremost, remember that you are setting up an e-commerce website, as we've said, and every e-commerce website should allow customers to make payments, make purchases on their website, and then obtain the product which they purchase. Either it's going to be a physical product, or it's also maybe it's going to be a digital product to say. But all we know that there's going to be a transaction between your customers and also your website. So how does this work? That is when we have to explain what payment gateways are. Okay, so what are actually these payment gateways? Now, payment gateways in a simple term is like it's a network through which your customers transfer funds to you. Remember that your e-commerce platform or your website which you are going to be accepting payment is a medium through which you are going to earn. You understand? So, and basically you will be getting there's going to be some transactions happening, between the customers and your platform. It's not necessarily an e-commerce platform. Every platform that accepts transactions, so you have to install this payment gateway. So it's a network through which your customers transfer funds to you over the internet. Now there are several payment gateways available that we have, and some of them includes the Flutterwave. We also have the one we call the Paystack, which is commonly used in Nigeria, the Paystack and the Flutterwave. Now, Flutterwave you can use in other countries, African countries and beyond. And then we also have the one we call the Stripe Payment Gateway. This is specifically for United States and some other countries. Nigerians are not allowed to use a Stripe, okay? And then we also have the Vogue Pay, we have PayU, and then we have several other payment gateways. Now, the two most frequently or commonly used payment gateways in the country Nigeria are the Flutterwave and also the Paystack. Now, in these lectures, I'll be using a typical example, that is a Paystack payment gateway, to set up a typical example of how the structure of a payment gateway looks like. Like, you are going to set up your merchant account, and thereafter we'll be linking these accounts to an e-commerce platform which you are currently building, and so you get to see how to link up your APIs for integration to your e-commerce platform, and then also going to see how to be able to update your payout settlement account. Your payout settlement account is actually the account which you'll be linking to your Paystack account, upon which, after customers are done with paying the money to through your website, you'll be able to get the payment direct to your local bank account. So therefore, this is going to be the workflow. First and foremost, you have to sign up to the website, that is Paystack official website. Thereafter, you have to log into the website, and upon that, you have to verify your KYC, that is know your customers, where you need to provide your national ID or a voter's card or a driver's license. This helps the company to know who they're actually working with, and you can also call that a compliance document. And also you have to wait for some few hours. Sometimes it can take few hours or within an hour for them to get back to you that your account has been approved. Thereafter, we proceed to setting up APIs for integration of our merchant account, that is Paystack Gateway, to our e-commerce platform. So this is going to be like key APIs, application program interface, which will be given is usually given to every merchant account, and you have to use that to link it up to your e-commerce store or every other platform that accepts transactions. And thereafter, we see how to link these APIs to your e-commerce store, and also updating your payout details and how to start receiving payment from your platform. Now, basically, this is just an introduction to what we are going to be covering, and in our next lesson, we'll get into the practical approach of setting up these accounts, and completing the whole process all by yourself. So thank you so much for joining me once again, and I'll be seeing you in my next lesson.